Hey everybody, Tim from Workshop 12 here. Great news. We have the plastics for the FRS have come in from Shapeways. So these are the ones that we're going to use for test fitting in the car to make sure that everything's working properly before we make things available for everybody else. So we're going to do kind of a quick look at unboxing the plastics and see what comes from Shapeways when we make an order. Okay, we got our box here. Comes in a fairly large box from Shapeways because it's got some pretty big pieces in it, but it's super light, so when you receive it you'll actually kind of wonder what's all in there. Usually Shapeways does a really good job of packing the plastics. So as you can see, we got lots of bubble wrap around here, and then we've got our different pieces. So each piece is individually bagged. So here we can see we've got the tablet holder for the S2. So that's going to hold the actual tablet into the plastics. Then we've got the bottom piece here that's going to also have the snap-in for the hazard switch replacement on the bottom. So this is going to go back down in kind of where the climate control area is. And then we've got the top trim piece that comes across. So this is going to be kind of familiar to everybody that sees this from a stereo trim piece and bringing in those. So the cool part about these and the way that everything's designed from the 3D scans off the OEM pieces is that we get to see all of the detail that's on the back. So when we look at things like the clips that are on there, the OEM clips, they're exactly the same as what you would see coming off of the plastics for the regular car. So lots of great detail on these ones. So you're going to pluck the plastic clips that are on the OEM pieces and snap them on here. This is then going to press into the top area around where typically where the stereo goes around today. And then if we take a look at some of the bottom pieces here, we have we've got our piece here. So we've got a hazard switch that snaps into here, which is basically a little motorcycle hazard switch actually. That's a nice little small unit that we can use. And then everything on the back here is all of the, again, OEM clips, everything's scanned, you know, within tolerance of a human hair for accuracy inside the dashboard. All the different clips in here for the little pocket at the bottom to snap into, and the little cubby that's underneath. So you've got your start button and stuff underneath here for the units with the automatic climate control. But we've got all those plastics, and then essentially the way that they're set up is to overlay each other in the dashboard. These two pieces overlap, and we get an actual surround that goes around the tablet, and then on the back the tablet is going to connect into the different pieces on the back here to hold it solid. So that's essentially, you know, the plastics, the way that they come. If you can see here on the camera, they're just like all the plastics from Shapeways. There is a grain or texture to them that you're going to want to sand down and finish so that you know, it looks nice and smooth in the dashboard. We've posted up a video before on how to finish your plastics. So so that's essentially, you know, the plastics that that come in the box, and everything's all bagged nicely. So really excited to try these out into the vehicle, see how everything fits and snaps into place, and going to be excited to be able to get these, so likely paint these up this weekend, so that we have them ready to go for doing the test fitting. So it'll be a nice black satin that I'll likely finish them with, just for being able to do our installation video. So there you have it, a quick unboxing video of the plastics for the FRS. Again, like I said, super excited to be able to get these in the car. This has been a long time coming. We've been working on this car for a very long time with a lot of ups and downs. So really excited to have the plastics now, get those finished up, and we'll be doing an installation video the same way that we've done for the other vehicles as well, to give you a step-by-step how to pull apart your dashboard and how to be able to install these plastics along with the tablet into the car. So again, stay tuned, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll be creating more content along with those other videos, and we'll see you soon.